back then. Back in school, I hated this two-stop town. It's where dreams went to die. I was gonna get out. Swore when I graduated I'd be out of there. Watch that place fade in my rearview mirror. Wish I could go back then and feel like that now. Fogged out Chevy with our shades pulled down. You couldn't tell us nothing, had it all figured out. Didn't plan for tomorrow, only worried about. We make it through school and burn rubber for the creek. Nothing like being parked in the water on an old Chevy bench seat. Loaded up the rods and reels, but half the time we never cast. Just follow the girls around till it was past time to be back. Oh, we took it day by day. We were some lost boys trying to find our way. We're all grown up now, got lives of our own. I still wonder where the time's all gone. Funny how the things that we long to escape are the things that we run to when we come of age. Always longing for our glory days. Wish I could go back then and feel like that now, in a fogged out Chevy with the music up loud, doing circles on the back road, burning gas and telling jokes. Hey Romeo, that's no microphone, it's time to pass the smoke. That old creek bank had $1 million bridge. I learned to do a lot more than camp and fish. That's where we had our senior party. There's some things you'll never forget. Wish I could go back then and take a trip in time. Swear if I could I would hit rewind. Wish I could go back then and feel like that now, in a fogged out Chevy with our shades pulled down. You couldn't tell us nothing, had it all figured out. Didn't plan for tomorrow, never worried about